This is Dazl, and it's the latest vibe coding app. I was on the wait list, and today they've accepted me. Let's see what it's like. So I have an idea. My prompt is going to be, make me an app for scrapyard management, because I was at a junkyard the other day, and I was thinking how overwhelming it must be to track all the parts. So Dazl, D-A-Z-L, is like a base 44 or like a Lovable or like a Figma. It is a vibe coding app, which if you don't know what vibe coding means, wow, this is pretty good. Now I have this sped up. I've cut some things out. This took about 4 minutes. But it's a vibe coding app, and vibe coding is when you use AI to write software. So far, I like this. Let's see what it's like adding a part. And then I hit. So it created me this functionality here. Everything that you see me doing in this Junkyyard app didn't exist 5 minutes ago. It just created this. These are just samples, but I could put this online if I like it. So far, I think this is great, but it seems to be, at least on the front end, a clone of Base 44 or Lovable. What differentiates these vibe coding apps is the back end. What would you think of this?